Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking test video of 9470. I believe it's a 2001 Chevrolet 2500HD 8.1 liter two-wheel drive Allison 1000 unit. Pretty cool truck if you ask me. I've had a couple of these now, and the 8.1 is a heck of a motor. Got this thing from down south, but I don't know if it's spent its entire life there. The front end of the truck's rust-free. The bed, not so much. Not so much. She's a little bit dirty. Our cleaning guy's got the flu, so we're just having to make do without him. This girl had a rough life, though. Decent tailgate minus the screws. You know, guys, these are like $19 at the parts store, $4.99 on Amazon. It's for future reference if you're ever thinking about it. Let's step inside here and test some parts. 168,028 miles. 8.1 runs good. All the power windows work. Transmission. Engages reverse. Engages drive. Climate control appears to be working as well. I don't know what was going on inside this truck. Cigarettes. Reefers. Bad things. Let's test the power mirrors. There we go. The mirror switch was just not happy. Driver's side's working. There we go. Passenger side is working as well. Nice roof console, graphite interior, all the stuff you'd expect from a normal GMT 800. Non-defrost truck though. If that matters to anybody, no rear defrost. Fun fact, 1, 2, and 3. And the auto headlights are gone. Alright guys, well that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of 9470. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website. I'll leave a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Excuse me. Thanks for watching, and buy some Viper parts.